Yeah, good morning. This is Master Cosmos Hot Bankers. As you already know, just subscribe to the channel to get any new video that I'll drop. Yeah, let's check yearly plan. It started setting last year, that was 2019. Yeah, 2019, and it follows. And currently, it has come to set in 2019, event 589. In 2019, event 589. The select single year drop you in machine first box. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. You select 1874.39 drop and send single 9 in machine. So after you drop few days, you said the following week chop 65 banker and let this 39 counter 84. Okay, let's move to event 600. Event 600. Event 600. Single 8 first box machine 2019. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. It came to drop you 74.18. 74.18. So after it drop you 74.18, this time around 39 didn't come, where 9 single 92 didn't go to machine, so it drop you only this key, that is 74.18. So after it drop you 74.18, he said chop the banker 65. Chop the banker 65 and let this 74, because 39 didn't come, so this 74 should counter by force. Single 9. Sorry, 29. 29. Okay. And let's check the current. Let's check the current. Event 657. Event 657. 2020 event 657. Single 8 came to drop. So after single 8 drop, 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, it came to drop you 18. 39. This time around 64 didn't come. It went minus of 10, which is 74 went minus of 10, which is 64, and single 9 in machine. Single 9 in machine. So you will see, sir, this plan, this yearly plan 2020, it matched the previous plan. That is the first one, event 689, 589. Sorry, you will see, sir, this one 18 came to drop with 39, and single 9 moved to machine. And single 9 moved to machine. These two, it said the same. So it said chop the banker 65. 65. And let this 39 counter 84. 84. So you can add it to your game, or you can stake these two sure. Yeah, believers will always enjoy 65 live banker. Bye bye.